Is XRP about to make millionaires overnight? With massive institutional money flowing in and major price movements on the horizon, this could be the breakout moment we've all been waiting for. Stick around as we dive deep into the facts and what this means for you as an investor. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some explosive updates on XRP that you need to hear. With institutional investors making big moves and the price showing strong bullish signals, the question on everyone's mind is this the moment XRP finally takes off? In this video, we'll break down the latest developments, expert predictions, and what you should be doing right now to maximize your gains. So, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to stay ahead in the crypto space. Let's dive in. XRP's recent price action has been notably bullish, as the cryptocurrency has experienced an upward trajectory, reaching a price of approximately 56 cents. This upward momentum is largely attributed to a combination of factors, such as increased demand and institutional interest, which are propelling XRP's value higher. In the past week, XRP has gained between 5–10%, showcasing a steady rise fueled by strong trading volume, which suggests that this rally is supported by genuine market interest and not just speculative trading. This surge is a positive sign for XRP holders, as sustained volume is often indicative of confidence in the asset's future potential. Looking at key resistance levels, the first notable barrier is around the 60 cents mark. If XRP manages to break through this resistance level, it could trigger a more substantial rally. In such a scenario, we might see a rapid climb towards the 75 cents–80 cents range, where additional resistance could appear. A breakout beyond this zone could pave the way for even more significant gains in the medium to long term, with bullish sentiment likely to keep driving the price higher. On the flip side, traders and investors should also be cautious of potential pullbacks if XRP fails to break key resistance levels. It's important to monitor any shifts in market sentiment or negative news that could cause a short-term correction. XRP is in a critical period of its price action, with a strong possibility of further upside if it can overcome the 60 cents resistance. The strong institutional interest and increasing demand are bullish indicators, but careful attention to price levels and market conditions will be essential to gauge future movements. Institutional investors are loading up. Recent reports suggest a noticeable increase in institutional investments in XRP, with prominent whales and hedge funds actively accumulating large amounts of the cryptocurrency. This surge in institutional involvement is fueling speculation about the possibility of a significant price breakout in the near future. The fact that major financial players are showing strong confidence in XRP is a powerful signal. Historically, institutional interest in an asset often precedes price appreciation, as these players tend to have deep pockets and can influence market trends with their capital. The influx of large-scale investments suggests that these institutions may be positioning themselves ahead of a major price surge, anticipating a potential bull run in the near term. Several factors are driving institutions toward XRP. One of the most compelling is XRP's real-world utility in the cross-border payments sector. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has focused on creating solutions that streamline international money transfers by offering faster, cheaper, and more efficient alternatives compared to traditional banking systems. XRP's use case as a bridge currency for global payments makes it particularly attractive to financial institutions looking for practical blockchain solutions in the ever-growing fintech industry. Another key factor is the potential integration of XRP into global financial systems. As regulatory clarity surrounding cryptocurrencies continues to evolve, XRP's role in the future of financial infrastructure seems increasingly promising. XRP has already secured partnerships with major financial institutions, including banks and payment service providers, and its integration into existing financial systems is seen as a stepping stone for broader adoption. Institutions are drawn to XRP because it offers not just speculative investment opportunities, but also a fundamental use case in one of the most essential areas of the global economy: international payments. With remittances and cross-border transactions accounting for trillions of dollars annually, XRP's potential to reshape how money flows across borders makes it an attractive asset for long-term investment. Moreover, institutional investors are likely betting on the future regulatory clarity surrounding XRP. Following the ongoing legal battles and the uncertainty regarding the SEC's stance on XRP's classification, many institutions believe that a favorable outcome in this regard could send the asset into a new phase of growth. If Ripple is successful in its legal fight, XRP could see further adoption by financial institutions in a broader range of use cases, propelling its value even higher. Implications for the market. As whales and hedge funds accumulate more XRP, it raises the possibility of increased price volatility in the short term, as these large investors typically move large volumes of assets that can influence price movements. The fact that institutional interest is rising is also a positive indicator for retail investors, who may interpret this as a sign of long-term stability and growth potential for XRP. The potential for XRP to break out significantly in the coming months is becoming more tangible as institutional confidence continues to grow. These investors are not only interested in short-term profits, but also in the long-term integration of XRP into global financial systems. This could set the stage for a major price rally as more capital flows into XRP in anticipation of the cryptocurrency's continued adoption and increasing real-world use cases. Bullish catalysts for XRP's price surge. Ripple's legal battles. The ongoing SEC case has been a significant factor impacting XRP's price. Any positive outcome for Ripple in its legal dispute with the SEC could lead to a sharp rise in prices, as it would remove major regulatory uncertainties surrounding the asset. A favorable resolution might pave the way for broader institutional adoption and mainstream use. Adoption and utility. XRP's technology is already being utilized in global payment systems, positioning it as a strong long-term investment. Its ability to facilitate fast, low-cost international transactions makes it an attractive option for financial institutions and businesses looking to streamline cross-border payments. This real-world utility provides solid support for XRP's value. Bitcoin and market trends. The overall health of the cryptocurrency market also plays a crucial role in XRP's price movements. A bullish market led by Bitcoin often has a ripple effect, pun intended, on other altcoins like XRP. When Bitcoin rallies, it generally boosts market sentiment, and altcoins tend to follow suit. If Bitcoin continues to rise, XRP could experience significant upward pressure as well. What this means for investors: if you're holding XRP, this could be the beginning of a massive price run. With several bullish catalysts in play, the potential for growth is substantial, and the outlook for XRP seems promising in the medium to long term. For those on the sidelines, now might be an excellent opportunity to enter the market before the next major breakout. However, it's essential to approach this with caution and make well-informed decisions. As always, do your own research and invest wisely. The cryptocurrency market remains highly volatile, and price movements can be unpredictable. Ensuring that your investment strategy aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance is key to navigating these uncertain waters. XRP is at a crucial point, and the signs are pointing towards something big happening soon. Institutional investors are making their move. The question is, are you ready? Drop a comment below and let me know your XRP price prediction. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future updates. Until next time, happy investing.